and show you how easy it is when we define to buy it or when we define to sell it. In this case, defining to buy the US dollar yen today, one of the first things we look at is our green line. This is our previous day mood, and if price action's above that previous day mood, we're bullish. If price action's above our neutral line, our red line, we're bullish. So you can see prices were above both our green and red, so that was giving us a buy sign. The next thing we want to do is that when the market at 3:15 this morning Pacific time hit 93.45, we're looking for a two-level drop before we want to get involved and get long in the market. Because at this point, this is the distance drop we want. In this case, this was 54 pips from point to point. So from 93.45, a 54 pip pullback was 92.91. And at that 92.91, we're still above the red, we're still above the green, so still getting bullish. The next thing we look for is after we get that drop, we're looking for prices to show a flip from a downtrend to an uptrend. You see how the highs were getting lower here, and then the lows were getting lower here, and then this next green candle, all of a sudden the highs started getting higher and the lows started getting higher. So this was the next signal to say, hey, another thing telling us that we want to get long this market. And we developed this window of opportunity based upon what the market did after it did our two-level drop. And the market pulled back into our window. Generally, star 1's the top of the window, star 2's the middle of the window, star 3's the bottom of the window. Generally, we like to play star 2 as the market pulls back into star 2 in the window. We get ourselves an opportunity to get long. So we're entered the market. One of the last things we look at is at the bottom of the chart. We look at some traditional technical indicators. We just choose one. So just choose one. We use the relative strength index. We have it adjusted to our settings that we like. We show you how to do that as well. So the point was we had 5 out of 5 rules to tell us to go long, and we started to see it in this window. And just to review that, we were above the green line, previous day mood. We were above the neutral line, 2 things telling us to get long. The third thing to tell us to get long, we had the distance drop, the measured move that we're looking for. In this case today it was 54 pips. We got that measured move drop to our 92.91 area. The market then, our next rule, flipped from a downtrend to an uptrend. And then the last rule was RSI reading down towards 25, giving us 5 out of 5 to go long the market. Took some time, but generally you see that our objectives are 1 to 2 level objectives, and that was met very nicely here today. So again, just very simple approach. We teach you how to do it in our home study. We teach you how to do it in our morning meeting. So anyways, we just thought we'd share this with you in our 30 Days of Light. Stay tuned for our next episode coming tomorrow. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.